Hi folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. And I got a fun one here for you now. But before we start on the video, if you guys can do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button, that'd be wonderful. Well, today's Sunday and we're over in St. Charles at a familiar place. It's called Bench Racers. And you can see it there, it's an old gas station. We'll go over there here in just a second, take a peek and see what it's all about. Not a lot of cars here today yet. It's early, it just started a couple minutes ago. But we're gonna walk around and see what's here already. Go inside the shop. See if we can do this without getting ran over. It's kind of a busy little street. Got this really cool motorcycle here. It's a Harley Davidson. Very cool. That's a nice looking motorcycle. Check out the flames on this thing. Can you see the flames? It's got flames up here on the fenders. Pretty cool. Check out this here bad boy. 1932 Ford. That's a pretty car. Pretty car. We have Ryan's little Chevy Cruze here. He loves that little car. Comes to all the car shows with it. And here we are. This cool looking Mustang. Kind of windy out here today. Looks like the hood fell down on the Mercury. Let's walk around inside the gas station here. Got some cool pictures. Very, very cool. Very neat. Got a couple Mustangs here. GT350. That's a pretty car. Very neat. A pretty good turnout so far for being it just started just a little bit ago. Let's go check out some of these cars over here.
Hey, little girl.
69 Super Sport convertible.
Tell me now, baby, is it good to you? Can it really good things that I'm doing? I can take you home. I'm on fire.
Very, very cool. Very nice.
Sometimes that's all to the night. 6-inch man, middle of high school. At night I wake up with the sheets open wet and a freight train running middle of my head.
Check out the engine in this Willys. Man, this is a nice sounding Willys. You don't hear them like this very often.
Oh, I'm on fire. Oh, I'm on fire. You drank, while you were smoking. Why must you live out the songs that you wrote? Over and over, everybody makes my position. So if I get stoned, just running on and on, family tradition. I am very proud of my daddy.
All right, folks. Well, we had another one pull in a little bit ago. We're going to take a look at this beauty. This is a cool car.
Damn good feeling to run these roads.
Very nice. All right, we were looking at this a while ago. Got the really cool wheels and tires on here for sure. Look at the inside of this thing. Alright folks, well I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car. If you did, click right up here on this logo. You can subscribe there, it's free to do. And right over on this side is the last video I just did. Thanks a whole bunch for watching, I appreciate it.